And now the final step in the process, as we discussed, is the importance of flushing the downpipe. So let me just show you how we do that. So this is one example where, I'll just drop you down here so you can see it. Plenty of debris in there. Now this is a tool that we do use. Okay, so just there we go. It's actually cleaned on its own. Okay, so it's actually cleared on its own, but we do have tools that we can use to unblock downpipes. So hope that's helpful to you folks, and if you want a company that's going to do the right thing, we always take photos before and after for customers in case you're not home, or even if you are home, doesn't matter. But if you want a company that's going to do a complete job, a thorough job, and communicate with you before and after, as any company should, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you.